coming you, fading in the gloom, lacking in everything that we achieve. Thought I failed to kill, an underrated skill, catching what heavily quite a disease. You look some crap, it is to show you where my head is at. It's but a shame, this is an ordinary life. Some ordinary life. Some ordinary life. Some ordinary. Now I know the score, the storyline in store has but an end that you will not release, requiring a plan, some pattern for the plan. And nothing is quite what it seems. Did not swear, it's such a beautiful dress that you wear. It's but a game, this is an ordinary life. Some ordinary life. Some ordinary life.
It's like, I don't care about nothing, man. Roll another blunt. Yeah. Oh, good. La da 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 da. La da da. La da da da. La da da da. La da da da. Yeah. I was gonna clean my room until I got high. I was gonna get up and find the broom, but then I got high. My room is still messed up, and I know why. Why, man? Yeah, cause I got high. Because I got high. Because I got high. La da 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 da. I was gonna go to class before I got high. Come on, y'all. Check it out. I could've cheated and I could've passed, but I got high. La da. I'm taking it next semester, and I know why. Why, man? Yeah, cause I got high. Because I got high. Because I got high.